Have you ever learned a foreign language? Among so many languages, Korean has its own unique alphabet system. Today's topic is about Hangul, the Korean alphabets. In the 15th century, King Sejong the Great invented Hangul, the Korean alphabets for his people to read and write. With the trending philosophy Confucianism, he used dots and lines to make vowels. Well, long story short, humans, the vertical line, harmonize in between the sky, the dots, and the earth, horizontal line. This vertical line here is E. It looks like an I, E. When we add an extra stroke on the right side of E, it becomes A. One more dot or stroke on the right side becomes Ya. Remember, when we add two dots or two strokes on the line, it always has a Y sound. E, A, Ya. The circle on the left side of each vowel is a consonant E, Ng. It has no sound but just helps the sound of the vowels. Same way, when we put the dot on the left side, it becomes A. And one more would be Ya. And they would sound like E, A, Ya. Now let's talk about the horizontal line. This one is U. Same way, when we put a dot on top of U, it becomes O. Double dots or double strokes would be Yo. U, O, Yo. Same way, from U, we can make U. Extra stroke would be U. U, U, Yu. You have just learned all the basic vowels in Korean alphabets. Now let's practice. A, Ya, O, Yo, O, Yo, U, Yu, U, E. This is a consonant kiok. It sounds K. Kiok and A together, it would sound Ka. As you can assume by now, we need to combine consonants and vowels to make one syllable. With this vowel O, we can make Ko. With the vowel A, it's Ka. With the vowel U, it's Q. This is Yo and Ka. Together, it's yoga. Ya and Ku together means baseball, Yagu. That's all for today's video, the basic vowels. Check the description below for a free worksheet and practice writing the vowels we learned. Our next class is consonants.